Hello everyone, my name is Jefferson and today I'm going to show you a new version of the DDLess version 5.2. We have some amazing things. Now it's possible to send your code to the playground when when expect a variable. Let me show you an example. I mark a breakpoint here and send a request. Okay, now as you can see, you can click here and send this value for the playground. And then I can perform the run. I can see the result. Okay, it's so great. Furthermore, the task runner has been redesigned, bringing it closer to the main part of the system. Yeah, you can drag it to resize. It's more flexible, right? And then we can click here and see the new options sent to the task runner. As you can see my code here right now. And then we have a big update that you can debug inside the task runner. Let me show you how it works. Let me write that. User query first if, let me make a condition, return, and let me show you the result. Use it. And then I can click here right now, mark this option, and I can put the breakpoint and click run. As you can see, the breakpoint stop here. Okay. Now you have a step debug inside the task running. It's so insane, right? And it's so free. You don't need to pay anything to use it. Enjoy this too. See you soon. Bye bye.